Greetings, Rich here, chicken guy. I don't know if that moniker will be mine or not, but anyway, today I'm here to give you a quick little tutorial on how to take care of your little chicken whose legs have become a little bit inundated with leg mites. And that typically only occurs when the weather is a little wetter than normal. So I had an issue with that last spring, and I had to pretty much doctor the flock in this method. But I'm going to do some touch-ups now before winter hits, and that's going to be here in a few days. So give me just 1 second while I go grab the patient. But let me show you kind of what I'm working with here. This is a little container with your favorite kind of cheap cooking oil, in this case canola. I'm actually going to put a little bit more in there. And what this does, you lather this on the feet and the legs of the bird, and that will suffocate the mites. Here I got a bucket of water for rinsing, and here is the second ingredient to the oil is petroleum jelly. And what that does is it also seals in the oil, and it makes it difficult for the mites to breathe, and it kills them off. And I can pretty much vouch for success. It took care of my problem this past summer, or late spring. I mean, I'm fighting a bit of a bug right now, so bear with me. I'm going to go grab the patient right quick. I'll be right back. I'll just take it. I don't know how to operate this phone sometimes, and it never wants to do what I want it to do. So I'm going to go grab her. There she is. You can see she's got, some bad foot problems there. So grab her. Come on. Come on. Okay. So, I'm going to set this here. See if you can see me. Yeah, there we go. So, anyway, patient, what you do is you have her just kind of, you can either put her feet in there, or you can just use your hands and just lather them up like this, and just rub them on there. Just stroke the leg with the oil, get it nice and covered. What you want to do is you want to kind of be sure you emphasize stroking upwards, so it forces the oil underneath the skin scales where all the mites live. I'm getting vegetable oil on my phone now. How about that? So, a couple of thorough soaks in vegetable oil. Once you're done there, it's dripping. It's going to be messy, all right? So, wear some old clothes. You don't care getting dirty. So then, you grab a little bit of a petroleum oil, petroleum jelly. Same thing. Just rub it all up in there. It's going to clump and glob, and that's fine. Be sure that you get each leg really well. A generous serving of petroleum jelly is not too much to add. Okay. What I didn't show you before that was I did wash your feet a bit, and that's what the water's for. And I just got the whole sequence out of sequence, so sorry about that. But anyway, first, wash the feet in water, which I did, but I didn't do it on camera. Then the oil, and then the jelly. And once it's lathered on, just turn the bird loose. You don't got to rinse it off or anything. Just turn the bird loose. There she goes. She's a little pissed, but in a few days, those legs will be right, and yeah, she'll get away with that limp. And the limp is because of the tissue damage due to the mites. It causes the tissue to heal incorrectly, and it for some reason it crusts up, and that's what causes a little bit of a limp as she's got there. So anyway, I got a couple more to do, and then we'll call it a winter. Then we'll see what happens in the spring. Thank you guys for paying attention. Hope I didn't waste 5 minutes of your time here, and we'll see you at the hen house.